So you want to learn how to day trade? Well, me too. My name's MJK Trades, and today's video is going to be about what is day trading, how to do it, and why so many people fail. Why is this so hard? I hope you guys are staying blessed out there. Hope you guys are being okay out there. God damn, man, it's a crazy ass world. Today's video isn't gonna be about the gym, y'all. I'm be honest. I want to have a good balance of trading and the gyms because I don't want to become like a gym, goer, I guess. I mean, don't get me wrong. I hit the gym, you know what I'm saying? I hit it today, but I definitely want to have a good balance of trading and working out, y'all. So I'm basically just going to be showing and explaining to you guys everything I know about trading at the moment. And then, yeah, boys, I'm just going to see you on the charts. So, peace. Here we are on the charts. So hold on, let me pull up some of my notes. All right, boys, so what is day trading? Day trading may sound like super complicated and like super like crazy, like especially if you're looking at all these numbers and all these names and all these acronyms, like it's going to be really confusing. But all day trading is buying and selling stocks. I'm going to go into forex and futures later and commodities in the harshest but simplest way possible. It's educated gambling. I'm gonna be honest. Hold on. All right, so I'm kind of kidding when I say that it's educated gambling. It is sort of gambling in that you can make a decision and be wrong and lose money, and that has the same basis of gambling. But the only key difference that you can take away from gambling and day trading is that day trading, when you make a decision, you're making decisions based off of like concepts that have been studied and analyzed for years on end. All right, it's been debunked by like some of like the world's smartest people, and it's been shared for other people to learn. All right, and that's what makes it so hard because you really need to be like a certain type of person for day trading. You can't be a closed-minded person. You have to be open to new strategies and new ways of learning. You have to be open to just different concepts in general. All right. And then with gambling, I don't gamble, so I don't know too much about it, but you're choosing black or red. You're choosing hit or stay. You're choosing, just left or right, yes or no. You're not really, basing your decisions off of any sort of, like ideas. That's the only difference with day trading. But yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen, like these crazy looking charts with all these numbers and all these graphs and lines, but you really have to tone down what you're really looking at in order for you to get an understanding. Like for example, I'm gonna explain this right here. So all these red and green candles, like try not to think too hard about it, but all it is a line on a chart. All it is just a line on a chart. So right here it'll have all the numbers for you. It'll display the price of what you're looking at. So in this case being a forex British pound Japanese yen pair. Uh, all it is a number on a chart, and this is just displaying the numbers. All right, it's not like a fucking live thing. It's not, or no, it is live of course, but it's not like a try not to think of it as anything more than just numbers on a line. All right, now the only thing is about numbers on a line, these numbers on a line, and every single one of them have an algorithm. They move in a specific direction for a reason. It's not random. All right, and it looks random as fuck, but the market is always moving with an algorithm. All right, so it has a reason for moving. All right, I think it's gonna go down. All right, all right. I'll look at my notes. What else? All right, so how do you day trade? So day trading is, there's so many different parts to it. So in terms of consistency, you have to be on these charts. You have to be on this website almost every single day, getting reps in, so you can understand. What the fuck? How do you do it? So let me write this out. How do you day trade? Consistency. Reps. Learning. Learning. Mm. So I've kind of explained the concept of day trading. Now, how do you actually do it? All right. So if you want to learn how to actually press the buy and sell button, it's real easy. All you have to do is go on a trading view, the website, because this is the easiest one to manage and actually see. And then once you do that, all you have to do is link your broker or link a company or a bank that allows you to put money in there so you can buy or sell. In my case, I use Oanda. Hold on, let me. All right, so boom, just like that, you're able to connect a broker that you choose yourself. I chose Oanda because it like specializes in forex, which I trade forex, and all forex is just a pair. So if you look at one forex market, it's a comparison of two countries. Hold on, Jesus fucking Christ, man. I mainly trade forex because it's for people with lower margins, and I do plan on trading futures whenever I do get a top step funded account. And nothing's really stopped me from doing it. I just don't feel confident enough. Confidence is key whenever you're day trading, alright? So yeah, that's how you physically do it. Now, in order to actually do it and succeed, I listed out a few things here. You need consistency, which I need to work on as well. Everyone needs to work on. You need to be on this chart or this website every day at a consistent time, not just at a random time, at a consistent time. Most people do it in the morning because that's when the New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30. So if you ever heard 9 to 5 or 9 to 4, the stock exchange opens at 9:30, ends at 4. All right. Getting reps. Now, what does that mean? That means back testing. What does back testing mean? Back testing means going back in time, which I can go right here to a random bar, and then now you have to choose and you have to figure out where price is going to go, right? And that's what fake money, that's what back testing is. All right? You want to document your back testing so you know and you have proof that you're actually a good trader, because if you're a bad trader, what's the point even putting real money in? All right, to lose it? You don't want to lose money. So you want to back test your trading so that you know what you're doing is actually working. All right, now it's a learning process. You have to really put your mind into different people or different actual successful traders' minds and actually learn from them, because it's really hard to learn by yourself. All right, so the people I'd recommend to learn from is TJR, TT Trades or T Trades, and Justin Werlin. Those people are probably the most technical when it comes to learning day trading, and they're really beginner friendly, especially T Trades and TJR. They make it like fun. No hate to Justin, but his concepts can be kind of confusing. I can't lie. But yeah, those top three, I'd recommend watching TGR's boot camp. He teaches everything in like specificity. I don't know. He teaches everything one by one. T Trades teaches the same exact thing almost, but more technical and more ICT. And Justin Werlin is a lot more technical. It's hard to you know go with him at sometimes. All right. So those are the top three people I would watch. All right. So what else? How else do you do it? You have to get rid of your ego and have a healthy lifestyle. All right. You can't be eating fucking Cheetos in the morning and real sad and throughout the day, and you're not talking to anyone, or you're just real sad throughout the day and be expecting to be profitable in day trading. All right. You need to have a healthy lifestyle, healthy mind. All right, in order to actually succeed, because like this is a process of thinking, and you have to actually grow with the markets. You have to grow as a person, and you have to grow in order to actually become a real day trader, because it is a learning process and it is going to take a lot of time. You might as well do it happy instead of sad. You know what I mean? So whatever you're doing, whatever making you sad in your life, you got to fix it. Whether that's going to the gym, whether that's doing something different every day. I find that doing something different every day, allows you to see the world in a different way, and it makes everything more beautiful. Like for example, I'll go out to the park, just for fun, just to sit there, you know, not even to do anything, just to sit out in the park. You should try that. All right, do something. I mean, go to somewhere new to eat. Anywhere. You do something new. All right. All right. So I've covered what is day trading. I've covered how to do it. Now, why do so many people fail? So many people fail because they're not willing to put in the time and effort to actually learn this stuff. They're not oriented to actually want to learn. Like for example, when I see a few of my friends hop on the charts and I try to teach them, and they don't really care that much, that's the type of people that are gonna fail when they put their money in. Unless they're like the luckiest people on earth, where they can just put money in, buy, sell, and just make a fuck ton of money, then that's them, I guess. But most people are not gonna be lucky, so that's why so many people fail, because they're not willing to put in the time to actually learn everything that needs to be done. All right. Mm. All right. So, what is the basics to day trading? All right. So, I was telling you guys how you need to analyze charts, and you need to, look at charts and look at previous candles and previous lines in order to tell you whether or not to buy or sell. But it gets much deeper than that. All right. So here's the basics of day trading that I'm going to teach you, and you're not going to be profitable off this, but I'm saying this is a good foundation to build off of. All right. So this line, right? I know you know what green is. I know you know what red is. Red means go down. Green goes up, go up. So this line goes up and goes down, right? This line and every line, right? So I can go anywhere to any exchange rate to any stock. It moves in trends. All right. Here's what a trend is. A trend looks like this. This is the perfect example of a trend. It's not always going to be this perfect, right? But here is what like the perfect trend looks like. Now, what do you notice about this trend? That it's creating lows, and then a higher low, and then an even higher low than that one. All right. And what do you notice as well? You notice highs, higher highs, even higher highs. All right. So what would you call this trend? An uptrend. This is bullish. This is green. All right. So all you have to know is this is an uptrend. You want to buy here, sell here. And you might be thinking, why can't I sell right here and buy right here? Well, here's the thing about that. In an uptrend, it's hard to sell because, first of all, you're only catching this small little move, right? But then also, the problem is you don't know where it's going to stop. So it could stop, the line could go down here, right? And then start going up. And you wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know where to buy again because you would think, oh, it's just coming up. Nope. You know what I mean? Or no, sorry. You would think, oh, it's just going up and then it's going to go back down. Psych. Nah, you lost all your money, son. All right? Now, vice versa with this one. I'm going to show you guys here. Excuse me. All right. So, if you just saw an uptrend, I take a wild guess on what this could possibly be. This is a downtrend. It's a downtrend because look at the highs. You see a high, a lower high, and a lower high. All right. The market is going to move like this. It may not be perfect, but the market moves in trends. That's just how it's been for years. All right. So it's either the market can do three things only. It can go up like this and create new highs and be in an uptrend, or it can go down and create lower lows and lower highs and create a downtrend, or it can do this, which is highly volatile. You can't predict anything in this one. This is called consolidation. That just means that the market is in indecision and it's not able to actually know where it wants to go. All right, you gotta think of it as a live organism in this motherfucker. All right, because the market is its own, or when I say the market, the price is its own. Pretend it has its own life. All right, so you gotta. That's how deep this stuff gets. All right, so. So let me actually show you a real-time example. So I'll go through here. I'll go anywhere. Like, for example, right here. What are you seeing right here? Now, after what I just showed you, could this be in an uptrend or could this be in a downtrend? Well, it's going to be in an uptrend because look at the lows. It's creating a lower low, a lower low, or no, sorry, a higher high, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. Look at this high. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. We are in an uptrend. We're looking for buys. Looking for buys. For green, for bullish. We're looking to buy, not to sell. Alright, now, how about right here? Let me show you a downtrend. Alright, so here's a downtrend. So, what are you looking for? You're looking for the highs. High. Lower high. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower highs. Lower high. Oh wait, no, here's a break of structure, but right here, let me like mark it up. Is a downtrend. Looking for sells. Now, I just talked to you about break of structure. What the hell is a break of structure? So the trend isn't going to keep on going down forever. It goes up and it goes down. The market goes up and it goes down. It's very confusing looking. It doesn't go down forever. All right. So to know if you're in a break of structure, you have to look at the previous high. So this is the most previous high. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it out with this line right here, this little small ass line. All right. So once this high gets taken, we are now in an uptrend. Okay? So now we are looking for buys. Now we are looking to buy. So now we are looking at the lows. Alright, so I'm going to start marking out the lows here. And at this point we actually consolidated. So I'll mark this out right here. You can tell it's consolidation because look at these lows, right? These lows are very equal to each other. You can't trade because it's really indecisive. It's hard to trade indecisive charts. It's only good to trade with trends. Alright? So hopefully you guys understand what a trend is and what to do with certain trends. So now that you know about trends, all right, you have to apply it to the real time market. So this is the real life right now. This is the real market. So based off of what I just told you, are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? Okay, well we're obviously in a downtrend. You can tell because of the lower. Okay, let me not do that. You can tell because of the lower highs and the lower lows.